Hello. For React Sprint 2, we focus mainly on visualizing information about the connection status. In restyling and relabelling the substations, we made it easier to pick out assets that were at transmission level, and we also worked on summarising connection information for both substations and connected generation and demand schemes. There's an example. The other thing that we did during this sprint was to experiment with some interactive visuals that display the connections between schemes and substations, and also to aggregate connections and queued connections both at transmission level and embedded. And let me just show you briefly how that works. So if we bring up the option for overlay, switch on the flow map overlay, what you'll see here is a flow map style visual that really connects kind of hub and spokes. So your spokes are the connected schemes, and the hubs are your substations. And what we've done here is if you click on a substation, the visual that comes up it's an aggregation of what's connected or queued to be connected, both at transmission and distribution level. And then below there's a little table again that summarises that information. And lastly, other thing we did in this sprint was to improve some of the geography, particularly around water bodies and water sources. And we also added an alternate base map just to help bring out some of the assets. So different colour base map. And that was sprint 2.